I take a shower in the bathroom. I take a shower in the bathroom.
I sit on the sofa every evening. I sit on the sofa every evening.
I eat at the dining table. I eat at the dining table.
I turn off the lights before bed. I turn off the lights before bed.
I keep my kitchen clean. I keep my kitchen clean.
I water my plants on the balcony. I water my plants on the balcony. I hear the birds from my window. I hear the birds from my window.
I live in a small apartment.
I lock the door when I leave. I lock the door when I leave.
I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen.
I brush my teeth in front of the mirror. I brush my teeth in front of the mirror.
I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I invite friends to my house sometimes. I invite friends to my house sometimes. I love spending time at home. I love spending time at home.
I drink my coffee on the balcony. I drink my coffee on the balcony.
I open the window every morning. I open the window every morning. I keep my shoes near the door. I keep my shoes near the door. I have 2 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms. I have 2 bedrooms. I have a small garden outside. I have a small garden outside.
I put my keys on the table. I put my keys on the table.
I clean my house on Saturdays. I clean my house on Saturdays.
I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner.
I vacuum the floor every week. I vacuum the floor every week. I feel safe in my home. I feel safe in my home.
I sleep in my bedroom. I sleep in my bedroom. I cook in the kitchen. I cook in the kitchen.
I like the view from my balcony. I like the view from my balcony. I hang my towel on the door. I hang my towel on the door. I watch TV in the living room. I watch TV in the living room.